Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign for the remaining month of September. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what's happened in your recent past. Sagittarius fire sign, your recent past. Okay, Sagittarius, recent past. Okay, so let's see your recent past. Four of Wands, Six of Cups, the Fool. I think past was good. Definitely you both could be twin flames. There is a soulmate connection, past life connection with each other. The Fool, something new beginning is happened between both of you. So definitely, so I think one person seeing the life in another way in this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Yeah, the Tower, Five of Swords, Ace of Cups. Definitely there is something going between both of you. There is some tower moment is going to happen, or it is now happening in your love life. Definitely, because the tower, the base move, the foundation between you and your person is going to be collapsed, or something is happened between both of you. Definitely there are some disputes between both of you. There is no communication and less communication or harsh communication between both of you. Ace of Cups. I think Sagittarius, you decide to self-love. You give more importance to yourself. That is you. It is you, Sagittarius, 100%. So definitely something is going between you and your person right now. So let's see some more messages. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, things are turning in your favor, Sagittarius. Yeah, Justice. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, the Sun. Definitely Sagittarius, take the risk. Trust your intuition, trust your heart. Because your inner being never tell wrong. Because things are turning in your favor. Definitely whatever your decision you are going to make, definitely that will go to the Sun, positivity. Even though in the starting you will feel some negativity, at the end of the tunnel definitely you will feel definitely very very positive energy. You will overcome anything. So Justice, something you made decision, you cut them. I think you cut your person off, I think, but your person wants second chance. For some you definitely moving on. Definitely you are trying to moving on, and definitely you will do it because the Sun and Wheel of Fortune is here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. This is very very powerful reading for you, Sagittarius. See, two cards. High Priestess, definitely trust your intuition, take care of yourself, and Five of Pentacles. Definitely there is some separation. So let's see your near future actions, your person near future actions towards you. The Star. I think they are hoping, still they are hoping for this connection. You or your person could be Aquarius. Page of Wands, some communication from your person, and but you are not interested anymore. Judgment. They want second chance now. After all that, after the Tower moment, you walked away, you realize your worth, then they want second chance with you. It ups to you to give second chance. I think it's to give more importance to you is the primary thing you have to do right now. So let's see more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Knight of Wands, Three of Swords. Yeah, definitely you are heartbroken, Sagittarius, but you will overcome it. Yeah, King of Swords. You are in this mode. You cut them off. Anyone, those who are not up to your mark, definitely you will cut them off. In any relation you will give 100%, but once they playing games, definitely you will cut them off. Whoever they will. Yeah, Three of Wands. They are waiting for you, but you are not going to give any chance. I am getting here because you are heartbroken. Now you are in this mode. you cut them off. You are very honest, you are very straightforward, but your person not. So it's up to you. Definitely they are waiting for your communication, they are waiting for you. It's up to you, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.